So this is a pretty hard division problem, and I'm going to use partial quotients to make it easier. A helpful first step when you're working with partial quotients is just to write down your number multiplied by 100, by 10, by 5, whatever you think you might need based on your dividend. So let's see, how many times do I think 64 goes into this number? Gosh, I don't exactly know, but I know it goes in 100 times, because 100 times 64 is 6,400. Let me write my 100 out here. Okay, now I have 1,196. How many times does 64 go into that? Well, at least 10. Now I have 556 left, and I know 64 goes in there at least 5 times. Nice. So I've got a much smaller number to work with here, and I don't know exactly how many times 64 goes into 236. Let me maybe add one more fact over here. Let's see, 64 times 2 is 128. Yeah, so it'll go in at least 2 more times. Okay, I have 108 left, and 64 will go in there 1 time. 64 will not fit into 44, so I'm done. So let me see how many whole 64s I could fit into 7,596. Let's see. That adds up to 118. Of course, I have a remainder. I have 44 left over, which means my quotient is 118 and 44 over 64, which I could simplify. There we go. So now I have my quotient, and I did it using partial products, which is a way that's a lot easier for a lot of kids.